Okay, so after two failed kits, we're going to have a go at this one. Yeah, it's an old frog, De Havilland C Venom. Looks pretty straightforward for an oldie. It's bear with me, I should have got it out of the bag before I started, really, shouldn't I? One day I'll learn. Yeah, it's got raised panel lines, which I really hate, but oh well. Yeah, hopefully it will go together all right. It looks really crisply moulded, which is what you want. Yeah, I mean, hopefully this one, like the last frog kit I made, will literally just fall together. So yeah, I'll make a start on that, and I'll bring you back when I've done a bit. As always, see you in a minute. Right, okay, this little Mojo booster's coming together quite nicely. Needed a little bit of filler here and there, but yeah, quite happy so far. Trying to give a big shout out to J&J Models in Morpeth, my local hobby store. The guy who runs it is fantastic. I needed some thinners and some paints because these ones are dried up on me. Pot thinners. Yeah, I sent him an email and he dropped them off to me this morning, and yeah, charged me less than a tenner. So fantastic. I absolutely love them guys up there. Thank you very much, Jim. You're a legend. Yeah, so that's that. So I'm gonna crack on. Wings on next. So yeah, I'll bring you back when I've done that. Right, got one wing on. The wings didn't want to go together very nicely. Got a great big gap on the underside. Top side, yeah, doesn't look too bad. There's a line there, but you know, this wing's being an absolute pig. The wingtip fuel tank does not want to go together, hence double clamps. But yeah, it's a fun little kit. It's not, yeah, it's nowhere near as bad as the what's it called? That's so good. I can't remember what it was. The sawfish. Yeah, it's all going together nicely. So yeah, I'll bring it back once the other wing's on and I've done the tail in a bit. Well, yeah, coming along nicely. Wings are on. It's needed a fair amount of the old filler, but yeah, it's getting there. There's your the two tail planes ready to go on shortly. I'm gonna yeah, they need filing back. Seam lines need sorting out and stuff. And then hopefully by then that filler will be dry and I can sand that off. It dries pretty quickly, that stuff. Yeah, I'm enjoying this. Yeah, I'm not too fussed about overall outcome on this one. I'm not going to go mad. I'm probably just going to do a little bit of exhaust burn on the tail, and that'll be it for weathering on this, I think. Yeah, but yeah, thoroughly enjoying it. I'll bring it back when I've done a bit more. Yeah, there we go. Right, the tail's on. It's, yeah, for an old kit, it's looking pretty well Venom shaped. I'm happy with it. Like I said, it's been a good fun little build. I like these quick builds. They're good for getting your mojo back when you've had a nightmare couple of kits. But yeah, just got to do the wheelbase, and then she'll be ready for paint. But I'm going to let that set for an hour or so before I try and move it. So yeah, see you in a bit. Alright, there we go. That's the build done. Yeah, nice little quick build. Really enjoyed that. Couple of minor fit issues, but nothing really major. So it's never going to be an amazing model. I'm not trying to make it amazing. So yeah, she's ready for the painting now. So I'm going to do the underside in the sky blue, and yeah, I'll bring it back probably once I've done the painting. See you in a bit. Right, yeah, second coat of the matte 90 for the underside done, so it's looking quite good. Yeah, give that a few hours to dry, and then I'll flip it over and I'll do the top. See you in a bit. Alright, okay, that's the second coat of the sea grey on the top. Much better, much nicer lines on it now. It's all good. Yeah, sitting here is my HMS hood from Airfix. It was sitting on a base that went wrong, so I pulled it off its base yesterday. Finally got around to it. It's amazing what you do when you're getting ready to move and you don't really want to take something with you. So yeah, that base is now in the bin. So yeah, I've cleaned up the sides of the hull as best as I can. But yeah, that's ready to get packed now. Hope it survives the journey, and then in the future I will make a new base for it. So yeah, that's that bit, and yeah, I'll bring you back once I've done the decals on that. Right, as you can see, the decals are on, and yeah, I think it's looking rather nice. Yeah, for the sort of at least 40-year-old decals, maybe older, they're all right. I mean, yeah, you can see the paper on the ones on the top of the wings, and the roundels are a little bit off. But I'm not fussed. Spot the mistake I made. I forgot to paint the nose black. Whoops. But yeah, I'll do that when I get to the other end, because as you can see, like I said before, my desk is pretty well cleared off, ready to go. So that's going to have to wait until I get to the other end. So what I'm going to do now, because my computer isn't powerful enough to edit videos at the moment, I need to get some more RAM for it, which I probably will do over the next couple of weeks. Because obviously, as you know, watchers of my channel, I'm moving out of here. Because, well, look at the video. I don't really want to go into it. Yeah, so yeah, well, I'm moving on from here. Yeah, I need to upgrade my computer so I can continue to make videos for you lovely people. So yeah, I'll see you soon. Take it easy. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe, all of that jargon, and see you on the next one very soon. Take it easy.